Let me see you dunking. Do your dunk. Do your dunk. See your dunk now. You got the reverse dunk. Oh, you did the 360 dunk. Let me see your jump shot. Let me see your jump shot. Right there, jump shot. No, back up. Shoot the ball. Jump shot. There you go. Oh. Let me see one more jump shot. Oh. Let me see your defensive slide. How you play defense? How you play defense? Let me see.